Made it to Portland, Oregon again. I was here about a month ago. We'll be going to the Oregon coast this time, so that should be fun. This is a nice airport they remodeled recently. Breakfast. I'd be starved. So soft and gooey. Cheese company and farm and petting zoo and everything. That's funny. Nice little gift shop in here. All kinds of goodies. And of course the cheeses. Wowzers. It's almost Christmas here already. It's only September. This will be fun. Really cool little place. Yo, what's up? Some sheep here. Ah, they're big. Nice, cool tractors. Little goat cheese. Sorry, I don't got nothing for you. Bah.
Wait, I think that little one right there is those two are baby donkeys.
Wait, baby donkey?
Yeah.
No.
Bye-bye. Cool truck. excited for this tour to see what's inside. Tillamook Creamery. Huge. And yes, it does smell like cows. That's where the magic takes place. Looks like an oil refinery. Here we go. Moo moo. Ah. It's like the museum. Tillamook. All kinds of goodies for snacks and foods. And all kinds of goodies. Wowzers. Tillamook everywhere. Alright, let's do the tour. The cheese tour. Oh, look at that. Cheese making process. Interesting. Really cool. So much stuff going on in here. There's the cheese. Wowzers. That is wild. That type of cheese is just scraps. And I don't know where it's going. I'm curious. Okay, so the cheese that is bad becomes shredded cheese. So that tub there that's full of bad cheese becomes shredded cheese. Same with that one there. Okay, now we know. That's how it gets cut into blocks. She's putting the bad scraps there. And then it moves on and on and on. They weigh it. That is a lot of cheese. This is interesting. Okay, we're inside the bagger area, which we will see here. Where they bag them after being weighed.
Isn't that cool?
So now that gets sealed. This blue octopus. So So the cheese comes from the belt there. It gets sealed in this blue octopus. And it keeps going. Look at all the little cheeses on the freeway. Off ramps, on ramps. Alright, this is kind of the end stage. Kind of. It's all packaged and it exits the building. Alright, that was the end of the tour. Pretty cool. Highly recommend it. Trying to see the whole process here. Very busy. Lots of cheese. Lots of cows. Lots of milk. Wow. Oh, they have samples. I'm here for the samples. Sample, Colby Jack.